With several roadways in a very bad state, the Prime Minister is urging members of Parliament to finish consultations by March so the multi-billion-dollar Spark program can get underway. In Parliament on Tuesday, Prime Minister Andrew Holness gave an update on the $40 billion program, Shared Prosperity through Accelerated Improvement to our Road Network called Spark.
That there are some roads that would be directed by virtue of considerations such as traffic flow, the interconnectedness of the road to business and to urban areas, main roads. Those roads will be dealt with separately, particularly because those roads would require the implementation of not just resurfacing, but if we're going to do those roads, we would likely want to change water supply, sewage, put in proper drainage and culverts. So we have split the program into two. So $20 billion would go to those main roads, and those would come now from a kind of national assessment done by the NWA.
$10 billion of the total amount will be equally shared among the 63 constituencies. Therefore, each constituency is guaranteed over $150 million to fix roads. The remaining amount will be allocated based on the length of the roadways to be fixed. MP for South East St. Andrew, Julian Robinson, urged the government to address bureaucracies in the procurement process so that the project can be executed. He also raised another issue.
You have said that the consultation must take place before March 2024. Completed. Now, we anticipate that the member from West Kingston will make an announcement soon in relation to local government elections. It's difficult to have those consultations during that period. And we move straight into the budget debate, which some of us are participants in. So again, I consider myself diligent, but to properly organize. And I'm fortunate, I only have 2 divisions. Some people have 4, some people have 5. To organize properly, and you said consultations that the CDF will oversee. So it's not me go up on a corner and talk to 2 youth and them tell me that. To properly organize that is difficult before the end of March.
Now, the Prime Minister argued that MPs have roughly 60 days to complete the consultations in each division.